How did Francisco de Vitoria utilize the concept of natural law? Have you ever wondered how ideas from the past shape our understanding of rights and justice today? Francisco de Vitoria, a Spanish theologian and jurist from the Renaissance period, played a vital role in this transformation. His work in Southwest Europe laid the groundwork for how we think about natural law, which refers to principles believed to be universal and inherent to human nature. These principles are derived from reason and apply to everyone, regardless of culture or geography. Vitoria's approach to natural law was particularly important during a time of great change. The Reformation and the discovery of the New World raised new questions about morality and justice. He utilized natural law to tackle several pressing issues of his time. One of his key contributions was to the field of international law. Vitoria argued that natural law should govern relations between nations rather than divine law. This was a significant shift, as it introduced the idea of just war, defining the conditions under which war could be morally justified. Another area where Vitoria's ideas had a lasting impact was in commerce. He supported the concept of free trade and voluntary exchange. He opposed monopolistic practices, believing that commerce should be based on mutual consent and benefit. This perspective influenced economic thought in Southwest Europe, particularly in the development of free market principles. Perhaps one of the most groundbreaking aspects of Vitoria's work was his stance on the rights of Indigenous peoples. In his writings, particularly in De Indis, he challenged the prevailing belief that the Spanish had a divine right to conquer the Americas. Vitoria argued that Indigenous peoples possessed the same rights as Europeans under natural law. This included rights to property and self-governance, which was a radical idea for his time. In practical terms, Vitoria's ideas about natural law helped establish universal norms that could be applied beyond regional boundaries. This contributed to a more cohesive legal framework across Europe. His thoughts on international relations and just war shaped how European nations interacted with each other and with other regions, including the Americas. Vitoria's emphasis on voluntary exchange and opposition to monopolies also influenced economic thought in Southwest Europe. His work was a significant step in creating a framework for international relations and economic interactions based on universal principles. Through his utilization of natural law, Francisco de Vitoria left a lasting legacy that continues to inform our understanding of rights and justice today.